write an essay on DNA recombinant technology, genetic engineering, recombinant DNA technology. All living organisms are endowed with specific genetic information. With advancement that progressed in genetical science, many aspects of gene functions become obvious. The molecular functioning of genes revealed the central dogma that DNA in a eukaryotic cell undergoes transcription to synthesize RNA and the later undergoes translation to produce protein. Even before the modern aspects of molecular genetics are discovered, the existence of mobile genetic elements were visualized by the geneticist Barbara McClintock in her work on maize plant Zea mays in 1965. Genetic engineering deals with the manipulation of genes according to human will. A gene of known function can be transferred from its normal location into an entirely different cell or organism via a suitable carrier or vector. The carrier may be plasmid, DNA segment of a bacterium or a virus. The gene transferred likewise starts functioning to synthesize the particular protein in the new environment. Thus, the fact that a gene can function irrespective of its environment formed the basis for genetic engineering. Tools for genetic engineering. Genetic engineering, which involves isolation of a gene segment from the whole genome, cloning of the gene into multiple copies, and their expression needs several biological tools. Some of them are given below. Enzymes, exonucleases, endonucleases, restriction endonucleases. SI enzymes to convert the cohesive ends of single-stranded DNA fragments into blunt ends. DNA ligases, alkaline phosphatase, reverse transcriptase, DNA polymerase, etc. Foreign DNA or passenger DNA. It is a fragment of DNA molecule which is to be enzymatically isolated or cloned. Cloning vectors. Vectors or vehicle DNA are those DNA that can carry a foreign DNA fragment when inserted into it. The vectors generally used are bacterial plasmids and bacteriophages. Applications and uses of recombinant DNA technology. Genetic engineering or recombinant DNA technology has enabled the understanding of structure of eukaryotic genes and their components. Genetically engineered bacteria are employed to synthesize certain vital life-saving drugs, hormones and antibiotics, example, antiviral or anti-cancer interferons, human growth hormone, somatostatin, etc. Through recombinant DNA technology, the genotypes of plants are altered. New transgenic plants which are resistant to diseases and pest attack have been produced. Genetic defects in animals as well as humans could be corrected through gene therapy. Genetically engineered bacteria are called superbugs. Superbugs can degrade several aromatic hydrocarbons at the same time. They are employed in clearing oil spills in the ocean. Thus, these are used in pollution abatement. The superbug was produced first by an Indian researcher Anand Chakrabarty in USA. He developed a strain of Pseudomonas bacterium to clear up oil spills. The above superbug can destroy octanes, xylanes, camphors, and toluenes.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational contents.